Bor Kapatisi TV. Kabul, Kamashin Kabalas Nakarpang Kabakhamskem, Kamstet, Kamklan, Batbaduna Bam Umpnia.
Menteri Sorkar Wapet Ru Yakatrat Barikor Bat Lariti Neka Arts and Culture Jong ka Sorkar Jilla Ubah Sanbor Shulai Ulaong Ba Tangba Kylla Kristan Kamut Bangin Klet No Nengin Iehnoh Shadien Ya ka Riti Dustur Jongi Hendak ingin iban buat Bat ban penai pensa Ya ka Riti Dustur Lajong Ubah Sanbor Ulaong Bah ka Jilla Nagalan Kendai Pupra Naksispa Lani Kendai Pupra Person Kinong Shong Kidai ki Kristan Hendak kidai maki kiba penai pensa Ya ka Riti Dustur Jong Ajak Benrio Bat kidai ki Kristan kiba pelong ya ka Hornbill Festival. Ha Mizoram ru uong ba khandai penyau ne khandai pupra person kinong shoknong kidai ki Kristan. Hendrai kidai maki kiba penne ya ka Dustur Lajong. Wat ha Tripura bat ha Arunachal Pradesh ru uong ba ki Kristan kidone ka bentar bakrau ban penne ya ka Lariti. Hang ni ru kumju uloong ba ka shat nong krem ka be den klam ki Kristan ki shimmata shidham bat ban ong kumba ong manure Tangba lalong Kristan ban Klet ya ka Dustur ubah sanbor roong bakadai ka babaklah shibun. Ubah sanbor ulah keren kan ni hadien bo lawan bani shimmenta ka program ha State Central Library bala pelong da ka Young Men's Christian Association de ka YMCA. Haringkat ka jingat rilang bat ka Shillong Public School bala Kristan da ka tanat Barikor bat Lariti. Kani kedai ka program jong ki jingrai choir ha ki sorten rai Lajong. Ha ka balawan bani shimmenta de ki school per bat ka thong jong ni ka program kalong ban penai pensa bat ban penduspa ya ka tenrai ka Dustur Lajong.
I'm so impressed. I feel so good to take part in this program organized by the Young Men Christian Association of Shillong YMCA in collaboration with the Shillong Public School, supported by the Department of Art and Culture, which I'm holding. So this is the Meghalaya Tribal Indigenous Choir Festival. This is the second year. So so many school, about 12 to 13 school, and even from there also they participate. So this is purely the Indigenous folk music festival participated by 13 school. If I did not count 13 school, and to promote the folk music and the culture of the tribal from the Jainjai Hills, from Khasi Hills, and even from Garo Hills, they participate. And the main objective is to preserve the rich tribal culture, the tribal folk music of our Meghalaya state. So it's a big event, and we have also discussed that next year also we will invite more school and colleges to participate. That is the motive behind. So the there are few people who says that once you are converted into Christianity, you cannot participate the culture, your culture. That is very wrong. What I want to send a message is that, for example, you will see in Nagaland, 98% are Christian. But it is the Christian along with the indigenous Hindu together, how they preserve this Hornbill festival in Nagaland. And even in the once they have invited our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi also as a chief guest. You will see in Mizoram also 97 to 98% Christian, but they preserve their culture. So everywhere, if you go to Tripura, if you see in Arunachal, everywhere. Here in our Khasi, Jaitya and Garo also, in Garo Hills, Songsorek Indigenous Hindu are 5% only. 95% are Christian. But how they every year by year, the Wangkaladan is very, very big. participated by all, uh, this Wangala dance. So here also you will see the Shatnung Kreb, in the Shatnung Kreb. Both Christian and non-Christian are participating. Then here in our betting club, the greatest festival of the Panar community, you will see thousands and thousands of Christian brother and sister also they participate. They dance in the secret pool of Joan and every part of Gentiles. So to say that those who have converted to Christianity, they cannot take part in in their own culture, and this is very wrong. There will be one more program on the 15th. This cultural program which will be again in at Central Library, and this cultural program which will be held on the 15th of next month. So many traditional groups from every part of India also they were invited to take part on the 15th. So from our the meaning of our department art culture is to promote, to preserve our art and culture system in our state. I discussed with the principal secretary that also will happen. We'll have to sit in the meeting. So will happen. So next week we'll sit in the meeting for this program. We've as a Department of Art Culture, we invite all these traditional culture art and culture groups from every part of Northeastern state to participate. So we will organize here in Shillong. That we have discussed already. So next week we are having a meeting to discuss regarding this program.
Pin rius pa ya kaktin lajong pin dan kam ya kabakan kiyo kaktin kasi kaktin lajong ai kan roy kan pa buon kia kren halor ka environment ka saudong sauput saukun ya ka badai ban penne pensa ya ka jingjangam haka kentin kasi niyo ya ka mariang na kamariang niyo sa ka Meirilung, Meirisan, Meirilang, Meiramo. Tudayakan mau kendit ho. Lapan mi da kapati CTV, na kabenta ka jingmentoy upat ba.